In 1913, the French manufacturer Berliet introduced one of the most iconic military trucks of the 20th century, the Berliet CBA. Designed just before the outbreak of the First World War, this vehicle quickly became the backbone of the French Army's logistics and a symbol of rugged reliability. The early version of the CBA was equipped with a four-cylinder petrol engine with a displacement of 4,398 cubic centimeters, producing 22 horsepower. In 1914, Berliet upgraded the truck with a new Type Z engine, increasing displacement to 5,322 cubic centimeters and output to 30 horsepower. This upgrade allowed the CBA to carry payloads of up to 4 metric tons, an impressive feat at the time. Despite its simple chain-driven transmission and a 4-speed manual gearbox, the CBA proved to be exceptionally reliable. It could reach speeds of 30 kilometers per hour, which was remarkable for a truck of its size and era. The braking system consisted of a transmission brake operated by a foot pedal and manual drum brakes on the rear wheels, ensuring safe stopping even when fully loaded. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Berliet CBA was its crucial role during World War I, particularly on the legendary Voie Sacrée, the Sacred Road, which supplied French troops during the Battle of Verdun. Over 25,000 units were delivered to the French army, and at the height of the war, Berliet was producing up to 1,000 trucks per month. From 1913 to 1932, a total of around 40,000 units were built, many of which continued in civilian use long after the war had ended. The CBA's design was not only functional, it was ahead of its time. At the Lyon factory, Berliet implemented early assembly line production methods, which enabled rapid manufacturing at a scale never seen before in France. The truck featured a sturdy steel frame, a durable suspension system, and a mechanically simple layout that made field repairs easier, a critical advantage during wartime. Thanks to its strength and reliability, many CBAs survived the war. After 1918, surplus trucks were sold to civilians across France, where they were adapted for agriculture, construction, and cargo transport. Some versions were even modified to carry up to 5 metric tons, demonstrating just how versatile this machine truly was. Today, the Berliet CBA is remembered not just as a military truck, but as a symbol of industrial innovation, resilience, and wartime endurance. Museums, restorers, and vintage vehicle enthusiasts continue to honor the CBA as one of the greatest military transport vehicles in history. If you enjoy stories like this about forgotten machines and legendary engineering, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. There's much more history waiting for you here.